Here is Zencash. Must have been an ICO. For the readers and followers who had been listening to my blogs and watching and reading my blogs, the most apparent pattern here should be screaming out at you. I mean, this is beautiful. You can't get better than this. Can you say cup and handle? My goodness, look at this. So it did a massive hammerhead top on a Japanese candlestick. There's a rounding bottom. Look at this. Here is the handle, and it busted out of the handle pattern. This is classic bullish cup and handle chart formation. And I had covered this not only in Steam, but a whole bunch of other digital coins as well. So where could the top, not the top, where could the target be? The way I see it is, let's combine this pattern again with Elliott wave analysis. So this was clearly a correction. We can call this, let's label the correction first. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. So after an ABC, C, lower low. What happens? There's a reversal in trend. Is this impulsive? Usually the first sign of an impulsive, a nice impulse, is a very nice 45-degree angle trajectory. Impulses occur within a channel. So let's label this. Okay, keep that as a minus degree. One, two. If I do 3, 4, how will that be okay? No, because the Elliott wave rule between 1 and 2 is that 2 cannot be equal to or exceed the bottom of 1. This is good. For 3 cannot be the shortest amongst the 5 waves. So we have to determine that after we label the 5th wave. But if this wave 3 and we say this is wave 4, it overlaps with the top of wave 1. So wave 4 cannot overlap with the peak of 1. So this would violate it. But if I go here, 3, 4, it should be fine from here to there. 5. So again, telltale first sign of an impulse is a very nice horizontal 45-degree channel, as I showed here. After 5 waves, what happens? A requisite ABC correction must be made. And what does that look like here? We have A, B, C. And it's beautiful how the handle portion of this cup and handle is forming a very nice channel of the ABC correction as well. That means This could come down once more, touch it possibly here. This is what I see. I'm making it steeper because I'm trying to coincide this with the projected wave 5 coming up for Bitcoin. And that means it'll have to go up in an impulse. And it could look like this. One. Like so. And this pathway would beautifully confirm the cup and handle pattern combined with the Elliott waves, corrections, and the resumption of the uptrend that was started here. These 5 waves will become subwaves of a higher degree. Wave 1. This ABC will become higher degree wave 2. These 5 waves will become subwaves to a higher degree wave 3, 4, 5. Again, much of the pathway and the height will depend on Bitcoin. Why? Bitcoin is the moon that moves the tides of the cryptosphere ocean. And Zencash is no exception, because it too is swimming in that cryptosphere ocean, and the tides of that ocean is moved by Bitcoin. And I really, frankly, don't care how others might not like Bitcoin, or might criticize Bitcoin, or might think that Bitcoin is too slow. The miners are gouging people on transaction fees. The network effect of Bitcoin is so massive compared to any other coin right now. It still is the moon that will move the tides. Can it change? Yes, but not right now. I've also said when Bitcoin catches a cold, or when Bitcoin sneezes, the altcoins catches the flu. So this is very bullish, but still, let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. Now here's the Zencash to BTC. And I'm nowadays finding more and more often that when the similarity is pretty constant, with Bitcoin with the altcoin to USD and altcoin to BTC charts, to me is symbolizing more of a confirmation. Cup and handle. I won't do the counts here, just because then the video will get too long. So bullish on Zencash.